Hey, what's up, traders? This is Palladium, and I can see quite nice position trade in here, right? So let me show you on the monthly what I see that is happening in here, right? So basically, the price has made a big run up in here, right? Moving up, then it retraced back down into this level where we have this break of this high, and it's exactly in here on this order block in here, right? Also, we have this ascending trend line, which is retesting in here, right? So on this big time frame, I see a potential to go above a 50% of the swing and in the liquidity above it, right? So it's going to be somewhere around here, right? So let me take it back to this one. And what I like in here is the mainly, basically not mainly, but what really convinced me that it's possibly that it's going to be bullish. It's not only the price action in this monthly, but also the COT data, right? So let's start with the COT data right now. So we can see that basically market makers did not have any big longs in here, right? They started to build just recently, but what's interesting for me is that they reached this 17k shorts, which was in here, and on the chart it's here on this bottom, which is a 5 years historical biggest shorts, right? So since then they basically started to reduce their shorts. You can see how they're coming from the 17 to the 14. So they're taking the profits, which is taking the price up. And then they started to add the shorts again from 14 to the 17, right? So they started to be aggressive with the shorts to bring the price down. But while they've been adding these shorts and taking this price down, they've been building these long positions, right? So we can see in the net positions how we are coming from the 12k minus 12k, right, changing, and right now we are around the minus 10. But we can see also right now it's time to decode the price action. We can see what was happening in here, right? So I like this kind of trend line, but remember that this trend line was not always like this. In the first moment it was like that, right? So basically the breakout traders who actually they did it right. So basically they probably entered on this break or this retest, right? So price came down to take out their stops, right? And then since then we can see the beautiful order pairing, right? So we have the low created, price dips below it with the extreme shorts, right? So they actually close these shorts down here, right? Then price is breaking above this trend line. Now the trend line has to be updated like that, right? We have this inverted fair value gap, right, which is working as a support. Price coming higher. They adding these shorts, building these longs. Price drops lower, right? And probably in here they are now reducing the shorts, right? And price is breaking up, right? So, in my opinion, there is a big potential that it can go up because I think that commodity uh, is going to be strong at this period of the markets, at this market cycle. And what will be the confirmation, or like a strong signal for me, if this fair value gap, right, this inverted fair value gap, where the price was rejecting the price in here, right, in here also. So once we get above it, I will be adding to my positions, right? So be careful on the Palladium because there is a quite big swap on the longs, but I think that the move can be quite sharp, right? So I got my stop loss below this level, right, below this one in here, below here, right? And I have already one position, the small one, not the big one, but still on the Palladium, it's a risk like a $300. But once it gets above this level, it's a potential profit like 2,500, right? Obviously, we are looking on the daily time frame, so this can take some time. But I do think that if some crisis or some the things which are potentially coming, we can see that on the markets, all these metals like gold, silver, palladium, platinum, they will go up sharply, right? So that's my bet. And as said, once we get above this level in here, I will be adding some more positions, right? And expecting the price to go up. All right, bye bye. So this is a position trade.